When Yeshua laid hands on people to heal them, what exactly was he doing? Could it be that he was employing an ancient healing practice long since forgotten? And what if you could do the same thing today to stop a heart attack, bleeding, an allergic reaction, even choking?
But we've had people who were bitten by a poisonous snake, and they did this application, and when they moved their hands, all the poison and the stuff was just sitting at the top of the skin, and they just wipe it off.
How to Heal with Your Bare Hands with Dr. Alphonzo Monzo shows us step by step how to use the Hebrew alephbet to correlate touch points on the body that unlock seemingly miraculous healing capabilities. This teaching is not for sale and it's not available anywhere online. Instead, we'd like to give you this teaching as a thank you gift for donating to A Rood Awakening International. When you donate $50 as a love gift in January, you'll get How to Heal with Your Bare Hands with Dr. Alphonzo Monzo on DVD, Blu-ray, or streaming on the michaelrood.tv app. Donate $100 and you'll get How to Heal with Your Bare Hands, plus a blue marble glass mezuzah with elegant gold accents and a scripture scroll to put inside. Donate $300 and you'll get How to Heal with Your Bare Hands, the blue marble glass mezuzah, and a natural wood 3-dimensional plaque featuring the menorah, the word shalom in both Hebrew and English, and a message of blessing from A Rood Awakening on the back. These gifts are a limited time offer from Michael Rood to thank you for your support. Make your donation today and receive the $50 gift, the $100 gift, or the $300 gift. Thank you. When you donate to receive the love gift, you ensure that these teachings keep coming from A Rood Awakening International. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code on your screen to donate now and receive these limited time gifts. Or call 888-766-3610 or get your gifts online with a donation at monthlylovegift.com.